1. Natural sweetener. Honey is a delicious and healthier alternative to refined sugar, adding sweetness to dishes and beverages. 2. Antioxidant power. Packed with antioxidants, honey helps combat oxidative stress and supports overall well-being. 3. Soothes sore throats. Honey's antibacterial properties can provide relief for sore throats and coughs. 4. Wound healing. Its natural antibacterial properties make honey an effective topical treatment for minor cuts and burns. 5. Energy boost. The natural sugars in honey provide a quick and sustained energy source, making it a great pre-workout snack. 6. Digestive Aid. Honey can aid digestion by soothing the stomach lining and promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. 7. Skin nourishment. Used in skincare. Ingredients: honey,